Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm back with another review today, and this one is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Pure Clay Mask Detoxify. It looks like this. This one is a sample. It is actually not available in this pack. This is just a sample. It's available in a beautiful, gorgeous looking tub. And I'll mention the quantity and the price of the tub in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So this one is not for sale and it's got 5 grams in it, so it's just for a one-time use. So it says that immediately you'll be able to see skin is deeply cleansed, perfectly pure and fresh. And if you use it day after day, then your skin will look clearer, translucent, revealing a healthy skin tone. And the usage is apply the mask to clean skin, allow it to dry for 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Recommended to use 2 to 3 times a week. So right now I don't have anything on my skin. I washed my face. It's been 5 minutes that I washed my face actually. I'm going to be applying this one only on one side of my face so that I actually get to see if there's any difference. So I'm going to zoom you in and you will be able to see my skin up close. So that was my skin up close, and I did not apply anything on my skin after washing my face. So now I'm going to apply this one. And I'm going to apply it with this tiny cute little brush. Is it not the cutest brush you've ever seen? I got this one from, I don't know where I actually got this from. Maybe with some palette. I just put it at the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, I love the smell. It's got a, I don't know what, like a lemony, very fresh scent to it. It's got a clay scent to it too, because after all it's a clay mask. So this is it, and I'm done with the application, and it's already started drying in some of the areas. So I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes and I'll be back. It's just been 5 minutes and it's already started drying in some areas. While it's drying, I'm just going to sip into this one. This is from Drunken Monkey. I just got it delivered. I freaking love this drink. This one is called Mirror Mirror Detox. This one basically is a carrot-based drink with apple and pineapple in it. The best thing I like about this one is obviously the taste. First of all, it does not have any sugar in it, I believe. It shouldn't, because after all, it's a detox. So when you actually sip in, you can feel the carrot pulp, and you can also taste the apple and the pineapple. Pineapple not that much, but basically apple and carrot, which I just love. So it's such an eco-friendly bottle. It's a glass bottle that they give. It is something that I genuinely love, and that's the reason why I thought of sharing my views on this one with you guys. And 10 minutes is finally over. I'm just going to rinse this part and come back and let you guys see how my skin looks and feels. So I did not apply any moisturizer yet. I just washed my face with plain water. I definitely feel like this side looks a lot fresher and feels, of course it feels fresh too. Though there is some kind of redness around here because the mask was not very easy to get rid of. And yeah, so I'm gonna apply some moisturizer and I'm gonna be back and zoom you in. This is how it looks like after applying a moisturizer. This side really looks fresh and clean. I cannot say it made a huge difference, but definitely my skin feels more fresh and looks more fresh. And I believe that is what it claims. So it claims that your skin will feel fresh and pure, so that is how it feels. So that's it for my review, guys. I hope you like it and you find it helpful. Now I'm gonna apply it on the other side of my face, which is this side. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon, which is really important, because that way you will get notified first whenever I upload any new video. And I upload a ton of celebrity makeup looks, reviews, vlogs and all that fun stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go for it and dazzle.